In recent years, Android manufacturers have moved away from having the side button as the default power on and off button, instead choosing to have it launch an assistant of some kind by default. And this makes switching off your phone a little bit more complicated than it used to be. That's certainly true of Samsung, and with the latest crop of Samsung Galaxy phones, there are a few methods for switching your phone off should you want to. I'm Cam Bunton from Pocket-lint, and in this video I'm going to show you the two default methods of switching off your phone, as well as showing you the way to get your old style power button back so you can switch it off the old-fashioned way. Now, it's worth noting this particular Samsung S22 Plus phone is running the One UI 5 software based on Android 13, but you should find the process is identical on Android 12 based models, as well as any newer models that launch with the Android 13 based software as well. So here's the first method. Swipe down your quick settings shade by swiping downwards twice on your screen. You'll see a power icon near the top. Not only is it tiny, but also in quite an inconvenient location right at the top of the display near the settings toggle. Tap the power icon and it'll take you to the power menu where you can choose to power off the phone or restart it. Your second method uses a button combination. Again, this is also enabled by default. It's a tiny bit awkward again, but only because the volume rocker and the power button are on the same side. All you have to do is press and hold the side key and the volume down button together until the power menu appears on the screen, then tap power off or restart, whichever you want. Okay, so lastly, I told you I'd show you how to bring the old style power button back, and you can do it pretty simply. Open settings by dropping down the quick shade and tapping the settings cog, and now you can either use the search bar at the top and search for side key, or go to settings, advanced features and side key. You'll see two menus, one for a double press action and the other for a press and hold or long press action. Under that second option, choose power off menu. Now just press and hold the power button and you'll get to the power menu like you want to. No more messing around with accidentally activating Bixby, because no one wants that. So there you go, some simple methods to show you how to switch your phone off because they've made it complicated for some reason. I've been Cam. If you found this video useful, please do let me know. Hit that thumbs up, it helps us a great deal, and tap subscribe and the notification bell to make sure you don't miss any more of our uploads. I'll see you again in the next one. Bye for now.